Students, in our today's lecture, we will try to understand the term Gemeinschaft and Gesellschaft. This term has been introduced by the German sociologist, that is Ferdinand Tönnies. Ferdinand Tönnies, in his book Community and Society, he is trying to explain that there are two types of societies. One society in which the individuals are very close to each other. So what is the meaning of close Gemeinschaft? Those societies who tend to have strong bonds. What is the meaning of Gesellschaft? Those societies who tend to have weak bonds. For example, if you take the example of family systems. Is the relationship present strong within the family system? Yes, they are. Is the relationship strong within the case of caste system? Yes, they are. It is strong in the cases of relatives, relations? Yes. So whichever example that you are taking in which the bonds of the community is strong. So the literal meaning of the word Gemeinschaft is also community in German language. So he says, which will call to be as the community. A very good example for that is look at how the relationship is so strong when it comes to tribal societies. Look at how the relationship is very nicely established in the case of rural societies. If I'm talking about family system, religion, caste, they are the example of Gemeinschaft societies. On the opposite sides, where are you going to see where the bonds are going to be weak, such as I go to an office. Tomorrow, if there is any kind of a controversy in which I feel disrespected, I feel that I don't belong to this place, I will leave that office right there and then. So therefore, the offices are going to have weaker bonds. Same way, the schools will also try to establish a weak bonds within an individual. On the other hand, you can leave a school, go to another school. You can leave an office, go to another office. You can go to your own doctor. Tomorrow, if you don't like him, you go to another doctor. So therefore, Gesellschafts are those societies where there are weak bonds that are present. And a good example for these are the industrial societies. And typically, these industrial societies, when they grow, they become like urban societies. And when these urban societies grow, they will be seen as cosmopolitan societies. So, given this, Ferdinand Tönnies is trying to introduce a word where he divides. Why are we talking about this? Because usually we see that there are two kinds of societies which are being established. If you talk in the Ferdinand Tönnies, he uses the word where literally the German word is community and he says the word Gemeinschaft. On the other hand, the modern societies are referred with the word Gesellschaft. Where can we use similar these two contrasting society? It has also been mentioned by Emile Durkheim as well. Those societies where they are very connected to each other, where solidarity is very strong among them. They are similar to each other. These societies are called to be as mechanical solidarities or mechanical societies. Opposite to that, the urban societies, which are more not similar but interdependent, they are called to be as organic solidarities or organic societies. If we compare that Parson is also trying to use these well-connected societies are on the basis of Venus. These societies are on the presence of meanness that has been established. If I bring the aspect established by Weber, what is the kind of social action that is going to be present in this society? They will be established by Zweck rational social actions. These societies will have value-based action, emotional-based action, or a habitual, custom-based, traditional social actions. What are we trying to understand? We are trying to divide the societies in two forms. Ferdinand Tönnies, a German sociologist, has used the word Gemeinschaft, Gesellschaft. He can use in many different ways. Durkheim's mechanical organic, Parsons' Venus and the meanness, Weber's different types of social actions. So here, these societies are largely considered to be as, sorry, this is opposite. Sorry for the apology. This is opposite. That Gemeinschaft, which is associated with Venus, they will be value-based, effective, and traditions. Opposite to that, the modern societies are going to be Zweck rational. So here I am giving the example. These are considered to be as modern societies. These are largely considered to be as traditional societies. So please take a note of this word, Gemeinschaft and Gesellschaft. I'll see you in the next one. Have a nice day.